Dear friends, today we are going to discuss few things related to the one library all of India, which is National Digital Library of India, managed by IIT Kharagpur and which is sponsored by Ministry of Human Resource and Development. I am Shubham Avasti, TechCube Coordinator and Assistant Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Engineering College, Banswara, Rajasthan. I have also appointed by NPIU under the project TechCube 3 of MHRD. So today we will see how we can take most out of this NDL web page. In today's session that will be mostly focused on students, I will cover another or prepare another video for faculty and staff of our engineering colleges and various other institutes of our India. So let's get started. If you want to go to this page, just type ndliitkgp.ac.in or you can Google ndli, then you will get this page. Just go to that page, and first of all you can convert this page into your convenient language, which is like I have started with English. You can go with Hindi, Bangla, Gujarati, Marathi, whatever your native language. You can convert this page or convert this website into your native language. I will start it with English. Okay, then you can log in with your email ID and password. Before that you have to register yourself. So all of you must register to the best library ever, or you can say the best virtual library exists in our India. So you can register with your Gmail ID. Okay, and after that if you have forgotten your ID and password somehow, then you can do the account recovery with the help of this tab. Okay, register. After registration, go to that email ID and password, type this captcha and log in. Okay, so this will, you can save your previously seen items, previously seen web pages, previously seen content. That will be the benefit of login or member login. You can do with the help of this. Okay, now what kinds of thing you can do with the help of this library, or how you can fetch up. If you are a school student, then you have to click here, then that will direct automatically will send you to another page of your school where you can find it out how you can. Let me close all the tab first, then I will, yeah, click to school. Okay, then it will send it to you school page. Then you will find out video lectures, JEE preparation. If you are a students who are preparing for IIT JEE, for that preparation module, you can go to these tabs. Like if you will click here in the advanced 12 years JEE, then you will get these pages like JEE advanced paper. You have to click here, then it will give you JEE paper 1. Okay, automatically it is very convenient. You can directly scroll here. This is the JEE 2007 paper. Answers are also there. You can practice it at your home, and with the help of this free online content developed by MHRD and IIT Kharagpur, so you can scroll all those pages. Okay, and similarly you can also go to other convenient pages of your publications, your study. Okay, I will cover one by one. Okay, now suppose if you are school purpose, I have told that this is the pages. The JEE preparation, you can go. Simulation activities, if you want to go to the chart, photographs, what are those things, you can go. Like solar system, you want to see that how it will look like, then directly they have given you the links. A new satellite of Saturn S2000 S1. Okay, click on those tab, that will automatically directed to the pages where you can see how it will look like and how, what kind of things they have done. And this is the source is also mentioned here, it is Astropix. Okay, from the Astropix these things are located here. Okay, this is a new satellite Saturn S2000 S1. Okay, so this is the thing you can see. Okay, similarly you can scroll and get to those pages or pictures or chart, whatever they have uploaded here. Okay, and number of things are there related to the astrophysics or solar system, which is Milky Way. Milky Way is our Earth. Okay, so these things you can scroll. Okay, now come back to the other parts of this. Just a minute, stay tuned. Okay, now as we most of are searching about the books for the preparation of our higher education, like in masters of arts and all, or you are preparing for any competitive exams, IES or PCS, then you can also go through this. Okay, these are other CBSC, NCRT and other state board books are available. You can download it here by directly clicking here. Okay, now there are few books for general reading is also there, which you can download it. Okay, so this will help you to give more data about your school basis or whenever you are under 12. Okay, if you are studying under 12, then this will help you to get all those content. Video lectures are there, video lectures on computer science, video lecture on English grammar, which is very convenient. Most of us are suffering for our English language or communication skills, so you can go to this English grammar page or English grammar video lectures and learn. Video lectures for exercise, simulation, Khan Academy is also there. Then Raj E-Gyan is also there. Video lectures for other physics classroom is there. So you can scroll the pages to get more content about as per your requirement. Okay, so in this way you can prepare all the content, or you can think about how you can prepare yourself for the exams. Okay, so this is the thing I have covered in today's session for all the other related to content of schools. In the upcoming sessions I will try to cover the content related to the engineering students, okay, related to the faculty and staff of the schools, and many more. So stay tuned with our Engineering College Banswara YouTube channel, and do visit our Engineering College Banswara website, which is gecbanswara.ac.in, where you can get all the details of this thing. And if you are a science student in the 12th, then you can also do inquiry about the admission on Engineering College Banswara YouTube channel or Engineering College Banswara website. Just try to fill the form, or that is a Google form given in our website for the admission inquiry, and do visit our website as well. There are numerous things which you will get related to your engineering dream. Thank you so much. Stay tuned with our Engineering College Banswara YouTube channel. Thank you so much.